Hi, Story Cooking Classes here. Today we make something light, fluffy and dangerously sweet. Zephyr and meringue. Two desserts that prove that air can be delicious. Both are made from simple ingredients and little bit of chemistry, turning everyday products into edible clouds. You might think it's French, or Swiss, or Italian, but surprise, it's also Russian. Now, before we dive into the stories, let's meet simple ingredients that make all this sweetness possible. Here's what we'll need to make these airy wonders: eggs, sugar, fruit puree, and agar-agar powder. It's like mixing science and poetry. Check the proportions in the description below. Before we whisk, let's see how this sweet story began. The first written meringue recipe appeared in 17th century France, or Switzerland, or Italy. It depends who you ask. Everyone claimed they made it first. France even treated sugar clouds as national heritage. What's clear is that this simple mix of egg whites and sugar captured imagination of Europe. Elegant, fragile, and a little bit magical. And the best way to understand it is to make it. Separate the whites carefully, not a drop of yolk allowed. Add a pinch of salt to make whipping way easier. Add sugar. Sugar locks into the proteins, turning foam into structure. Pipe it or spoon it onto tray. Bake it low and slow until crisp as cloud. While this bakes, let's move to the East, where someone gave this airy idea a fruity twist. Now let's go to Russia, where meringue evolved in something new. In 1930s, St. Petersburg confectioners mixed whipped egg whites with hot fruit syrup, made from puree, sugar, water and agar-agar powder. And suddenly, texture changed. Soft, springy, fragrant. They called it Zephyr, meaning the west wind in Greek. A dessert so light that it can drift to Paris and back, but born in the East. And just like meringue, it all begins in the bowl. Let's make it. Combine fruit puree, sugar, agar powder, and a little bit of water. Heat to 100 degrees Celsius, the point where chemistry wakes up. Then pour our mixture into whipped egg whites while whisking. As it cools, agar traps the air. That's where science meets dessert. Pipe the mixture while it's warm. Then let it rest for 6 hours. 2 techniques, 1 philosophy, simple products, a touch of science, and a lot of patience. Our zephyr is ready. Cover it with castor sugar. Sweet clouds of history. Next time we're going savory. We'll explore the dish that began as an exclusive appetizer for rich people and somehow became a beloved classic for an entire nation. How did a luxury dish from high society make its way into every home and holiday table? Join me to uncover its story and its transformation. Whisk responsibly and see you next time on High Story Cooking Classes every Saturday.